So hello my dear friends, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Learning with Ganesh, and today I am going to explaining you a very interesting topic, that is logical maths. See, generally students may ask that you have to count the number of squares in a given figure. You have to count the number of squares. For example, I'm just drawing a figure on the board. This is the figure. Generally, you may be asked in your maths exam that you have to count the number of squares in the given figure, number of squares. Now, generally, what we will count? We will count just outside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all. But instead of counting, there is a easy trick. See, this is small. We can find the answer by counting it. If suppose we may get a bigger square with bigger divisions, so there we may get confusion that what will be the exact numbers of squares or rectangles or triangles, whatever it is. But whatever it is, but I want to share you a simple trick. How may the big question may be, but trick is same for all the questions. A very simple trick. The simple trick is that just what you do, write 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Now what you have to do, just you have to multiply this 3 into 3. 3 into 3 plus again with this 2 into 2, and again 1 means 1 into 1. Here also 1 into 1. Okay. Now 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, and here is 1. So in all we got 10 plus 4, 14 squares are there. How many squares are there? 14 squares are there. Now can you count 14 squares are there? But what you are doing, generally you will just count the number of squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 squares are there. But if you go deeply, if you dig this picture, you may get few more squares. You see, this is also a square. See, in all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now this is also 10, 11, 12, 13, and the bigger is 14. So 14. So we may get confused. Sometimes we may miss that, oh, ye chhut gaya, wo chhut gaya. But if you go in this mathematical process, you will get an exact number of squares which is present in the figure. Now we will go some more bigger picture. See, this is somewhat bigger than the previous one. Now what to do? Same, our process is same. What you will write? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply this 4 with this 4. Here I am writing 4 into 4. I think it won't be visible. I am just writing 4 into 4 plus, now this 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2, and here 1 into 1. That's all. You simply multiply it. 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 1s are, sorry, this is into, multiply. 1 into 1, 1. So 9 plus 1, 10, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 10 is equals to 30. So 30 squares are there. If we count it, you will get exactly, no more confusion. There is a simple logic. This is the way you can find out. Now we will just see some more deeper. We will just go some more deeper. What deeper means? Suppose also like this. Here we got like this. Okay. Then what we will do? We will just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. means already 30 is there, plus 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. So in all we got 38 squares are there. So this is a simple trick by which you can find out all the squares, whatever may be, how big may be, how many numbers of squares may be inside it. See, few squares are really hidden. What you are seeing visible, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, and plus the big one is 17. So 17 squares you are seeing it overall, but inside that there are many squares are there. See, this is also square, this is also square, this is also square, this is also square, center one is also square. So in all, this is the logic by which you can find out. You never get confused if you do like this. If you go like this, it is the only easiest process where you can solve such type of sums. Isn't it clear? So you just try it. You can make it. You just take it a rough copy. You draw as many as bigger picture you may be. It is 4, maximum I have 4. You draw it 6, you draw it 7, like this, and you see you will get. Now one more thing I'll just explain. Suppose we got only this. Okay. Now here we got square, but the overall picture is rectangle, but inside it is square. Now we have to find out how many squares are there. Now simple, we get this. Overall this is the outside is a rectangle, but inside there are divided into few squares. Now we have to find out the number of squares. Now simple, our logic is that multiply this 3 with 4, 3 into 4. Now 2 into 3. Now 2 into 3, now here 1 into 2. Now here 1 is left, but what the square is left? Nothing, 0. So 1 0 is a 0, means nothing, because this is over, this is also over, this is also over. So what is left for this 1? Nothing is left. So we can write 1 into 0. 1 into 0 is 0. So leave it that. Now 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Now what will we get? 18 plus 2, 20. So you can see 20 squares are there. 20 squares are there. So this is the way you can find out this type of sums. Okay. So very soon we will meet you with another video with another interesting topic. Till then, goodbye.